What's good, YouTube? Welcome back with another video with Ayo'Jamal. Today we in a 2015 Dodge Challenger Hemi V8. As you can see, as y'all call it, we in Mexico right now. About to hit this top speed on this vehicle. And y'all stay tuned. We're gonna give y'all a little bit of pulls. Y'all can hear it right now. Let me see. Oh, the wind blowing like crazy, so I'm gonna keep the window up. But just give y'all a little POV of a Dodge Challenger Hemi, so y'all can see what it's like. I don't know if you might be interested in getting one of these, or if you have one of these, but make sure y'all stay tuned because we gonna hit this top speed in this vehicle.